The journey of a prototype to a product is based on the tweaks and design changes done to the model. We require state-of-the-art solutions to bring out these design changes in an effective yet time-saving way. And that's what 3D Experience provides. 3D Experience is a business innovation platform that provides organizations with real-time vision of their business on a single collaborative environment for ecosystems that range from startups to large enterprises. Hi, I'm Shrigandha and I work at Beacon. Our aim is to aid other mechanical companies who wish to outsource electrical designs. I'm currently working with a mechanical company designing an electrically powered golf cart. So let's see how the real-time collaboration works between our two companies as design changes are made to the project on the 3D Experience platform.
Hi, I am Prutu. I'm a sheet metal designer for this project. For the enclosure design, I'll be using the powerful sheet metal tool available in the SOLIDWORKS Connected. This app provides all the traditional SOLIDWORKS desktop design capabilities along with cloud-based data management capabilities.
In my design, I will be creating a sheet metal enclosure in the battery tray for the golf cart. Firstly, I will log the assembly which I am going to work on so that my teammates can view this file in a read-only format. For creating the enclosure, I will be creating the enclosure body and the enclosure top cover as two separate part models by using the sheet metal features. Then, by using the enclosure parts, I will be creating a sub-assembly. After creating the battery enclosure sub-assembly, I will be inserting it into the top level assembly by just using the search bar that contains some powerful filters, and then I will quickly add some mate references. Then let us create a new revision for the assembly and change the life cycle to frozen. I will also mark the task as completed, thereby notifying my manager so that he can inspect the new design and approve the revision.
Now that I have completed the battery enclosure, let's see how this affects the trunk design.
Hi, I'm Pramod. I will be the concept designer for the golf cart project. I will be designing the trunk cover using the xShape, which is a cloud-based subdivision modeling tool available on the 3D Experience platform. I have received a task from Prutu to design the trunk based on his enclosure design. I will be using the xShape to generate smooth freeform shapes in 3D, using which I will be generating the concept from images to reality with a simple push and pull approach. In my model, I will be designing the shape of the trunk using the concept images available. At first, I will be importing the concept images to the xShape workspace. It contains a set of primitive shapes that can be directly used. xShape gives me the complete supervise of the digital play to push, pull and manipulate the shape of the model to bring it closest to the concept easily with a minimal learning curve and easy to use interface.
Let's see what the team thinks of my design. Using the call feature in 3D Experience, we have created a group with a vendor. Hey team, I have finished the trunk design. Check it out.
Wow, looks great, Pramod.
That's so cool.
3D Experience Call is a collaborative meeting environment accessible on the same platform you work on. The whiteboard feature can be used to transform a dummy sketch into a real-time presentation. Now let's see how this idea turns into reality.
My goal now is to turn this image into reality. For my design, I'm using Collaborative Designer for SolidWorks. It is my go-to platform solution that helps me connect the desktop SolidWorks to the cloud-based 3D experience. I can securely save and upload all design data to the cloud and access it from anywhere with a browser. This helps me access data shared by the customers. As per the meeting with the team, the requirement is to design a charging cable in the assembly. A single drag-drop procedure will place the connectors to their sockets with the help of predefined mates. I can auto-generate blur routes by selecting the connector endpoints and associate any cable from the design library with matching parameters such as color, diameter, bend radius, etc. The design changes to be done is to maintain the cable length at a certain value, and this necessity can be delivered with the help of fixed length command. Therefore, we can control length parameters of the route as required. Thus, using CDS, I have successfully made the design changes to my project with the most minimal efforts. As a vendor for various mechanical industry verticals, I require work to be done on both desktop and cloud as per the client requirement. And CDS provides me the perfect desktop experience along with the cloud capabilities required.
Hey, we were able to collaborate and complete the project within the given time frame.
Thank you.
As we see the successful collaboration across multiple disciplines using 3D Experience, I realize how efficiently our virtual design world has progressed, and I feel glad to be a part of this journey. Come, join us and be a part of making history here at 3D Experience Dassault Systems and conquer the design world.